welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Ellish box for the month of September. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 399 rupees. So it's super affordable. They always come up with such an amazing boxes that we always love it. And this time, let's just see what all it has. Let's start with the first one, and this is my favorite brand. This is by Votray, and this is the multivitamin regenerating whipped clay mask with rose clay. 30 gram is the quantity, and this is how it looks. The price for this one is 480 rupees. I have used multiple products from Votray, and they are just super amazing. So I'm looking forward for this one as well. Super happy with this one. Let's move on to the second product. The second one is by Luxurious Adore, and this is the saffron jelly, your Persian secret, skin nourishing and non-greasy. 50 gram is the quantity, and this is the one. It is saffron jelly, so you can just see the color. It's yellowish in the color. And the ingredient, it has royal jelly, sweet almond oil, olive oil, then it has cherry blossom flower extract. You just have to apply this after toning. So yeah, looks nice. Looking forward for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by CGG product. Okay, so this is the one. And this is the hyaluronic acid for facial serum. It has hyaluronic acid, which is 2.5%, and then it has vitamin C and vitamin E. It says take your skin shiny and dipping. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 900 rupees. Wow. So I'm definitely going to use it. And hyaluronic acid, then it has vitamin C and vitamin E. So all the ingredient looks really nice. So yeah, super happy. And of course, for me, this is the star product in the box. Now let's move on to the last one. And the last one is by Nell. This is the product. This is the high definition blusher. Let me just open it and show you. The shade number is 3 for this one. And this is how it looks. This is the shade. Let me just show you some hair on my hand. This is how it looks. So some hair. It's really nice, very nice peachy kind of a shade. So super happy with this one, and you can just see the size. It's super big. So yeah, happy with this. And Milk is a really good brand. So yes, happy. Thank you, Ellish box, for this. That's all what I've got in my Ellish box for September month. Now let me tell you that Ellish box has started the pre-booking for October month, and I would suggest you should hurry up, guys. Why? First of all, let me tell you that Ellish box never ever disappoint their subscriber. They always curate amazing boxes for us. Secondly, next month is their mid-anniversary edition, so I'm quite sure that is going to be really special. And then they have limited stock, so you should hurry up. One more thing, their website is not working because of some technical issue, but don't worry, I will be giving you a link through which you can place your order. So yes, just check the description box, there you will find the link. So that's all for Ellish box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.